We're out here risking our lives so that they can eat.
I'm working at FedEx, being essential. The company has taken great strides to ensure that we as employees are protected. They provide us with masks, gloves. We do have like hand sanitizer, cleaning supplies. We do extensive cleaning in the store. We only allow 10 people maximum within the store. That's to include the employees as well.
There are always room for improvements. They have done the distancing. They have making sure that people come in the store are wearing masks. But a lot of this they could have done early in the very beginning of this.
I think they could do more in the area of letting us know what's going on and protecting us.
I was very fearful of contacting the virus in the very beginning, especially when I found out that 2 co-workers had tested positive in the store. I don't think that I ever had the coronavirus, but I did go get tested just to be on the safe side. I thought that, they didn't take our health in consideration by doing that. I think that their thought process was, if these many days went by and nobody in the store gets sick, well then guess what, nobody have it.
As far as the job goes, I believe that they should contract with one of the medical providers to have a mobile unit that could and should test on site.
My family is not happy because they know about my pre-existing condition. When I was first diagnosed with lupus, I spent a year in the hospital because it was so severe. So my family is not happy, but they understand and they make pleas for me to take the 2 weeks or take however long off. But what they don't understand, like living in California, pandemic or not, it's expensive.
I feel I could speak up, but as far as retaliation, I believe that that it will probably happen, especially once I go back into the store. I've done several interviews with TV stations and newspapers, so I'm sure that they're not happy about that. I'm sure that once I get back to work, I'm sure I will, as far as probably with my schedule and the times and so forth, but I'm not worried about it.
It would be nice, but no, we are not receiving hazardous pay. I do believe that the service that we're providing is hazardous. Because we have the general public coming in every single day. A lot of people don't even adhere to the general guidelines.
We're out here risking our lives so that they can eat.
I want the public to know that, we are on the front lines, that we are working really hard. Be a little bit more courteous and kind when you come into the grocery stores. We know there's not a lot of stuff that we might not have on the shelf because of the early panic buying that everybody was doing. But just be patient. Say thank you every once in a while, because we're doing our best.
I want my government officials to just be consistent with the information that you report, and let's hurry up and get this under control so that way we can go back to life as normal.